going to remove the wheel, use a 22mm socket, and pull the wheel off. Just going to use a little rust penetrant. There's a little bit of rust on the stud. Take an 18mm wrench and you can loosen up the nut. And the stud is going to spin, so you want to use an 8mm socket. Put it on the stud. You could try to loosen this up with an impact, but the stud is just going to spin. So. And take the nut off. Then you can take the stud out, just like that. You can take this nut off the same way you took the other one off if you use a 18mm wrench and a 8mm socket, or you can take some locking pliers, get on the back side, and use an 18mm socket. Try to get it off that way. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Now take the new link, slide it back in position, put the nut on. And for the stud on this new link, we have a, there's actually a spot where you can put a wrench. So you can use an 18mm wrench, 18mm socket. I'm going to snug this up first. And I'm going to torque this nut to 55 foot-pounds. And slide the sway bar up. Slide the link stud through this bracket on the strut. Get the nut started. Then use an 18mm wrench, 18mm socket, tighten this up. And torque this nut to 59 foot-pounds. And put the tire on. Now I'm going to torque these lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds in a cross pattern or a star pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Now I'll go around again, just double check.